Hey guys, in the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you one of my favorite redesign projects we've done recently here at ConversionWise. For context, I'm Oliver Kenyon. I'm co-founder of ConversionWise. We're one of Europe's largest conversion rate optimization agencies, and this is an inside look at what my team get up to every single day. So as an agency, we've designed more high converting landing pages than any agency on the planet. This stems from a 12-year run of churning out landing pages every single day. We are a team of 70 plus CRO experts, and we currently handle ongoing CRO and landing page design for over 70 brands worldwide. Here's the redesign that really caught my attention recently. So 2 reasons this really caught my attention. One is because this is chicken food. What a really cool product. After 12 years of doing this day in, day out, we see some amazingly different products and brands, but I thought this was a really, really unique one. And 2, the visual redesign of this, as you can see, is literally transformational. So as you can see, the old brand, really tiny fonts, really outdated design, mobile wasn't very friendly at all, and now we have this aesthetically pleasing, really aggressive sales page with all the right conversion principles. We've added this really bold claim to the notice bar, reminded a cold consumer that they actually get that trust and guarantee of a 30-day money-back guarantee. We've then completely redesigned this whole page, but most importantly above the fold, we've added the logo, social proof, calling out that these guys have actually worked with thousands of clients, customers, and got thousands of really amazing reviews. We've now got this big bold font that says, give your chickens the ultimate superfood boost. The value proposition is massive. We supported it with, again, more benefit driven copy in the description. We've got a really nice big product picture here. We've got this full width button with a directional cue and a really motivating call to action. And then we supported that with these benefit driven bullet points with clear ticks as a visual representation. We bolded keywords. And if you just look at the before and after, if anyone's going to tell me that the before is going to convert better than the after, then you must be, well, chicken mad. Anyway, guys, hopefully you've enjoyed this one. Hit subscribe, make sure you like, and let me know what you think of the design in the comments. And if you want my agency, ConversionWise, to design you higher performing landing pages, get in touch at conversionwise.com, or there'll be a link below the video.